Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are talking about a new federal probe that is going on against GM in regards to almost 900,000 vehicles, including its best-selling model. Before we get too far along, if you don't mind looking down below, smashing the subscribe button helps a small channel out. That's free to do, everybody. So if you're new to subscribing, go ahead and smash that for me. Thumbs up at the end of the video and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. If you guys didn't know, I went to the Detroit Auto Show. Have a lot of great stuff coming up. Now, this is kind of disheartening that this is going on with GM, but U.S. auto regulators have opened up an investigation into complaints that General Motors vehicles equipped with certain V8 engines, including its best-selling Silverado, can seize up without warning. Now, you're probably wanting to know what engine that is and why. So the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration on Thursday says it was investigating 877,710 vehicles after receiving at least 39 complaints from GM owners equipped with the L87 V8 gas engine. Now, the L87 is the 6.2 liter. You will find that in Escalades, up-trim Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500s, Yukons, and so on and so forth. The NHTSA has said that complaints reportedly no detectable prior complaints before it can actually happen to complete engine failure, which can increase the risk of crash resulting in injury and or property damage. They're saying a bearing failure can cause the engine to seize and breach the engine block by a connecting rod. In the old days, we would call that throwing a rod. Now, you're probably wanting to know that what specific vehicles fall into this complaint. So the investigation starts with 2019 to 24 Silverado 1500, 21 to 24 Tahoe, 21 to 24 Suburban, 2019 to 24 Sierra 1500, 21 to 24 GMC Yukon, 21 to 24 Yukon XL, 21 to 24 Cadillac Escalade, and the 21 to 24 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Now, they haven't officially released anything in regards to that, but it is something to be very, very aware of. And as we know with Toyota's $500 million fine thing for fixing the new Tundra engines, that Chevy has had some concerns with this, or I call Chevy GM. And I think most people will probably be notified in this because I'm not sure, other than testing the oil or whatever things they can do to check and see if it's on its way to doing that. But just be aware that if you do have an L87 engine, that this is quite a possibility. And it's unfortunate. It's almost to 900,000 vehicles right now. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.